Okay, fourth graders, we're gonna see if we can make this work. I just have plain old typing paper or copy paper, and I folded it in half like this. I'm trying to find the middle. I didn't crease it a whole lot. And then I went ahead and folded it in half, the hamburger way. And then you see I can find the middle of my paper. So I'm gonna take my pencil, make a little dot there. You see my little dot? So now, I know you might not have a ruler available. Believe it or not, I couldn't find a ruler. I've got this big giant yardstick, but that's too big. So I just need a straight edge. So I'm gonna use the side of a magazine to draw some lines. I'm gonna draw a line from my dot to the edge of the paper, kind of right on my fold line. I'm gonna do it this way too, so I guess I could have just done it straight across, couldn't I have? Okay, now I'm gonna draw a straight line this way. Okay. And now I'm gonna go to these corners, from the corners to the middle. So here, I'll do that right now too. I'm going to try to make this fairly simple, see if it works. Doesn't have to be exactly to the corner, but that's what we're shooting for. Hold it down tight and draw my line. Okay, now that I have my lines drawn, here comes the fun part. So I'm gonna start a little bit from the middle and draw an arc that goes up in one of my triangles. Then I'm gonna go from this one and draw the arc down, then up, then down, then up. When you see I'm stopping at the line, then down, then up, then down. See what that looks like? And then I'm going to continue it moving outward. So I'll start in the same spot that I started, same triangle I started in the first time, go up a little bit, go up, down, up, down. I'm stopping at the lines from line to line. Scoop up, scoop down, scoop up, scoop down. I'm going to keep going. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Whoa. Okay, we're back. Whoa, sorry. Here's the next thing we're going to do. We have to mark these so we don't make any mistakes. So I'm going to mark this lightly with a B for black. Then I'm going to skip one, and I'll mark this one for a B for black. Skip, and then I can mark this up here, B for black. okay? B, skip, B, skip, B. In the one next to it, we're gonna go opposite. So if this says a B here, then the one next to it is gonna be blank. And this one, so I've got B blank, and here it's gonna be blank B. Blank B. Blank B. Okay? Blank B, blank B, blank B. And on this one, it's going to be the same as the first one. B blank, B blank. Blank, blank. All right? So you kind of get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and label mine, and you do the same. Mine's all set. You guys keep going. You'll understand this. We're going to color these in. I drew it kind of lightly. I'm going to color these in with black where it says B. So I'll start it now while you're still working on your blanks and your B's and your blanks and your B's. I've got a Sharpie. If you just have washable markers, that could work. And if you have, I would like this to be a dark color. It just will work better with what we have, but whatever you have at home is fine. So I'm coloring in the spaces that are labeled B. That's all I'm doing. I'll do this one. This little section. Show you. Makes a noise some people don't like. Okay, you can see I've finished coloring mine in with Sharpie. It already looks kind of cool. Now, if you just are thinking to yourself, oh, that's just so much to color in. All right, here's an option if you want a little bit less to color. Here's a piece of paper. We're just going to make a smaller square. So I folded this bottom corner right here. I took it and I brought it over to this edge. And I'm just going to fold it like that. You know how when you make paper tabs and stuff. I'm going to cut this part off. You draw a line and cut it. I'm just going to use my scissors. And go ahead and cut this off to get a smaller square. These are for you people who just think that's just too much to do. And I'm finding the middle again. And there's my pencil. Okay. So I got that going for me. And I'm going to make the lines again. And make sure you have an even number of spaces, basically. So I'll make my lines and I'll come back. So here's what I mean about having even spaces. If I start here and count the spaces, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's what you need. Can't have an odd number because we've got to do this again. So you go ahead. If you want to do a slightly smaller version, that's a square, you can. I made a mistake. Now I gotta fix it. Everybody makes mistakes. What happened? I'm good. Now we're good. All right. Oh. Okay. Woo, woo, woo. See? I fixed it. So I could use a color too, but I have to make sure that whatever color I use, I have the same color in a colored pencil. Ooh, dark green. All right, so this is the minier version. You guys go ahead and do whichever one you seem to like.